Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on nowiknow channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix Instagram is not sending security code. So let's get started. Well, if you're trying to log into your Instagram account, so here, for example, I've entered my username and now I'm going to tap on forgetting password. Here I'm gonna hit allow and then hit allow. Now I'm gonna type in my username and then hit continue. Again, I'm gonna hit continue. So as you see here, this will pop up. So here to log into my account, it suggests to send a text message or a backup code or a notification on another device. So here, for example, I'm going to choose text message and then hit continue. Now, if you didn't receive the security code, so here the first thing that you need to make sure of is that you have the same phone number or the email address. So if the email address or the phone number are different, then you can't receive the security code. So make sure that you have the correct phone number or email address. Now the second thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna swipe from the right corner of your screen and make sure that the do not disturb is not turned on. So if it is turned on, then you can't receive any notifications. So toggle it off, and that should fix your problem. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.